YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing another makeup video because I was sent this new concealer by Westman Atelier, and he's a editorial makeup artist, and his real name, I guess his real name is Gucci Atelier. So I was like, he made Gucci, but I don't know. So I want to try this out. The packaging is very cute, and since this is like high end, you can find this at Sephora as well. Since this is high end, I'm gonna try to do all high end makeup products. I'm gonna try, and some low, some high, whatever. But it's the packaging. It's so cute. Got a little heart, the smallest little heart. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, so this might be a little bit lighter than what I usually do, but I'm gonna try to make it work. So I'm excited. I love playing with makeup. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with this old Fenty. I didn't buy the new one because I hated the old one. So while I got it, I'm gonna just use what I got to get what I want. Hold on, let me find a makeup brush. This is the Pro Filter, and my color is 390 supposedly. Alright, so let's start on the back of my hand. I'll get started. I don't really like it because for me, I feel like the undertone, not even the undertone, I feel like this makeup makes me look orange. So I don't know if I don't have the right color or what, but you see, I hate it. I hate it. I might mix in another color because I just look so orange. I'm looking at my mirror to make sure I'm putting it all in. All right, I'm gonna take a sponge to make sure I dabbed it in very well. Do I look orange? I look orange. I'm trying to remember this is just for the concealer. Just a video for the concealer. Alright. So now I'm gonna do the concealer next. Westman Atelier. I should have gone with that. I ain't even tell y'all what it's supposed to do. My bad. So it says Pro Pigments and Serum Strength Skincare combined for precise melt-in coverage that hydrates, brightens, and soothes. How to use dot or dash directly onto skin to brighten under eyes. Diminishes redness or spot conceal. Make sure to blend out formula and allow the color to fully set. I ain't gonna use my fingers. I don't want to use too much, just enough. I never do my nose. I don't even know why I'm trying it, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, so I'm gonna let this set a little bit, and then guess what I forgot to do? Prime my face. We'll be fine. I'm gonna spray some Morphe to set it. So Next high, well, this ain't really high end. I'm gonna go in again with my because it's the only palette I really got for bronzing to contour. So I'm gonna go in with the True Complexion. I need to dabble in some more, but I be playing it safe because I still be practicing. Alright, and seeing I'm going to, my bronzers and my contour ain't really high end, but everything else is. So I'm gonna go with my bronzer. This is by NYX. And I'm with bronzing. So then I'm going to, I'm gonna go ahead and dab in this Atelier concealer. This is just so cute. What is all my sponges? Oh my god. When you come unorganized, don't be like me. I like to wet my sponge a little bit when I do my concealer because it's so tacky.
I'd like to make the decision later. I feel that we're like here and you and my connection are really, really different.
I'm trying to see if I like this. It looks good here, but I'm trying to see if it's brightening under my eyes. I like it. It might be a little too light, just a little bit, but I like it. And it's very smooth. It went on very easy. Oh, I don't like it right there. I don't know, what y'all think? What you think? It's alright with me. It's alright with me, okay? It's definitely brightening. I like it. I got a little more bronzer on this side and this side. But let's not focus on that, okay? The focus is just concealer. And it's definitely brightening. Yep. I like it for sure. Would I go a shade darker? Possibly. Possibly. But this ain't too bad. This ain't too bad. Alright. Alright, so for my setting powder, where's my Laura Mercier? Oh, it's right here in front of my face. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier. And y'all know her shit is expensive. That's why I got the little one, because ain't nobody got time. I just dab some in the top. Don't be afraid of the powder. Alright, I'm gonna let that set a little bit, and then I'm going to move on to, I feel like I missed a step. Besides freaking priming, I feel like I'm missing a step. I like to go in order so I won't forget nothing. Alright, I'm gonna just go ahead and use Juvia's Place. Yeah, Juvia is a little on the pricey side too, so this is the only one I got. I like a pink blush on my skin. And once again, if you've seen my last video, She's very pigmented. One dot goes a long way. Dot. Dot. Why do I look like it's more powder on this side? Whatever. Alright. Let's dye her in. Look at it, it's so damn big. Oh my gosh. Sister. If I wanted to go pinker, I would, but not today. This some little everyday going to work look or going out on a date. I don't need that much. And then I'm going, we almost done. I was gonna use this Fancy Beauty, how many carats diamond bomb, but I usually use this down here on my chest assist area, so I'm not gonna use that. Where's the Skin Glass? Y'all remember Skin Glass? At first I didn't really, sometimes I don't really like Skin Glass. Sometimes it don't really be dabbing in like it should. But I'll give it a go. Matter of fact, first let me dab this. Let me go ahead and set this powder, dab this powder in. Alright, I'm gonna use some Skin Glass now. Skin Glass don't fail me now. I swear, every time I use Skin Glass, it fails me. It freaking fails me. Why won't I put this? It's so shiny. Alright, that was a lot. Okay. And then I'm going to, while I'm talking like that, I don't know. Alright, so then I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place palettes. I love Juvia's Place. She hot, but she a good one. Ooh. I'm gonna do pink, but I'm gonna do under. But I gotta go find my brush. Hold on. Alright, last but not least for our high ends, I got this Christian Dior and this Huda Beauty Liquid Matte and Kat Von D. I thought this under eye was gonna be more purplish, but I don't know. Let me think. How much Patrick Tar I got? Hold on, first of all, pens. I like this because it's like a pencil and you just put, nope. Okay, I can use it. Okay, so that Patrick Tar, maybe because I had some lip gloss on, it wasn't going on like I wanted to, so I'm gonna just use the Kat Von D. What color is this? Crucifix. Alright, so my lips are a little crooked, so I'll be having to practice with my lip liner, but I think I did good. Okay. Alright, so that was the last of my high end. I almost put that Dior I don't really know how I feel about this under eye, the pink, but we're here now. Alright, so last but not least, my Morphe to set it all in. Alright, y'all, this is the finishing product. I think I did a good job for a beginner makeup artist. But I didn't even know what color I was putting on, so I don't even know why I put this pink under here, but it turned out to be okay. I am the star of the show. I would like to thank Westman Atelier for gracing me with his presence. I love my under eye. It was very creamy. My under eye is very bright. So all of these products are a little bit on the pricier side, but hey, look at my face. I did a damn good job and I look good, okay? But thank y'all so much for watching. Tune in next time and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.